What's going on, guys? For today's episode, we are going to talk about on how I created this AMV using the Filmora desk. Get 45% discount on Filmora when you download using the link on the description box below. And in this episode, I decided to create a Demon Slayer AMV using the Filmora desktop. So I decided to use the fight scenes in the Entertainment District art. I already trimmed some of the scenes there and applied the track that will incorporate in the battle scenes that we have in this video. For the basics, I will apply a couple of transitions in every scenes and make sure that these transitions will fit seamlessly every frame. So I will go to the transitions tab and choose whatever transition effects that I can use. For example, your fades, pop-ups, and zooms. And for me, the most tedious part in doing this editing is the timing. Timing of every transition that you will apply in every frame to make sure that everything would be seamless in every fight scene that you will be into. And I've also decided to use some effects on the effects tab of Filmora where you can choose tons of effects that you can apply. So what I did here is to apply some lights, glares, and a couple of sound effects that will fit into these fight scenes to improve the viewing experience in these kinds of AMVs. And here's the final product of my edit.
完成した勝ちに行くぞてめえの汚え歌はよ
And that's it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this content, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.